Welding generator, powering precision on the go. A welding generator is a vital piece of equipment that combines two essential functions, power generation and welding. It is designed for use in remote locations or environments where grid electricity is unavailable. Unlike standard welders, a welding generator contains a built-in engine, usually powered by petrol or diesel, that generates electricity to power welding operations and, in many cases, other tools as well. These machines are especially useful in construction sites, rural infrastructure projects, shipyards, and emergency repair tasks where portability and independence are crucial. Welding generators come in various capacities, ranging from compact, lightweight models for small jobs to heavy-duty industrial machines capable of handling continuous and high-load welding. A key advantage of welding generators is their ability to run multiple types of welding processes, such as stick, SMAW, TIG, and MIG, depending on the model and accessories. They are typically equipped with features like amperage control, overload protection, and fuel-efficient engines, making them safe and reliable in diverse work environments. Modern welding generators are also designed to run power tools and lighting systems, serving as a multi-purpose solution in areas without electrical infrastructure. In rugged outdoor conditions, these generators are prized for their durability, with protective housings, heavy-duty frames, and wheels for mobility. Farmers, pipeline workers, and metal fabricators often rely on welding generators for on-the-spot fabrication and repairs, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. Low-noise models and inverter-based generators are becoming increasingly popular for urban projects, where sound pollution and fuel efficiency are major concerns. Routine maintenance, including checking oil levels, replacing air filters, and inspecting cables, is crucial for long-lasting performance and safe operation. In conclusion, a welding generator is more than just a power source, it is a portable workshop that empowers professionals to work efficiently and independently, anywhere and anytime.